Hey! In front of me is CUBOT Note 9 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. You need to begin by going into Settings. Then you need to choose Connected Devices and click on Pair New Device. After that, wait for available ones to show and click on the chosen one. In order to connect, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this green icon next to the device, tap on Forget and confirm your choice in this pop-up. If you wish to connect to the same one again, you need to choose Pair New Device, tap on it and follow all of those instructions one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!